Amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a full face makeup look for beginners. Look no further, just grab your drink and let's do some makeup. Using MB Cosmetic concealer for my eyeshadow base and the Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to mix the two shades since the MB Cosmetic concealer is a matte. So I'll just tap the two shades into my crease. And I'm using the Lady Flora Cosmetic Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using the black shade first. And I'm using it for the outer part of my crease. And then I'll go in with the deep brown shade as my transitioning shade, and I'll blend the two colors together. When I'm done, I'm going to use a deep gold shade, shimmery shade, and I'll just tap that shade onto my crease to blend the two colors together. Using this shade, I'm going to use it for the inner corner of my eye. I'm doing a beginner makeup look. I just want to keep it simple. And I'm going to be using the Kiss Beauty eyeliner. So I'm just drawing a line. I decided not to do a wing. So after that, I'm just going to blend in with a black eyeshadow. I'm just using my eyeshadow that's left on the brush to blend in the two shades together, the eyeliner and the eyeshadow. And after that, I'm going to use a black liner for my waterline. I like to do this before I go in with the foundation. I'm just placing my eyelashes, and I use the Fashion Fox eyelashes. I think I should do a tutorial for that, and I'm using a wipe to clean the excess product that's left on my skin, like the eyeshadow fallout. For the face, we are going to be using black opal primer, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face and let it sit for a bit before I go in with my foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the MB Cosmetic foundation in the shade number 18. And using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to pat my foundation into my skin section by section until it's blended in so well. When it comes to applying your foundation, I advise you use like less product around your forehead. For the contouring, I'm going to be using Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'm going to apply that on my nose, my forehead, and my cheekbones. And I like doing my contour before I do the highlight. And I'm using a clean brush to blend in the products properly before I go in with the highlighting. Using the MB Cosmetic Concealer in the shade 9, and I'm going to apply that on my chin, my nose bridge, my forehead, and the under part of my eyes. This concealer is a bit light, so at times I do mix it with the foundation to give me a shade that is close to my skin tone. And I'm using a spraying mist. After that, I'm using the same beauty blender I used for the foundation to blend in the products properly. Using the zikelcosmetic palette, using the same beauty blender, the one I use for the concealer, I'm going to press that powder into my skin for the places I highlighted. Using this shade from the setting palette, I'm going to press that powder into the parts I did not highlight. For the contouring powder, I'm going to press that powder onto my cheekbones, the places I did the contouring, like my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. At this point, I'm already happy with the results since I see the makeup coming along. For the nose contouring, I'm still using the same brush and the products that remained on the brush. For the blush, I'm going to be using the Kylie's Diary in that light pink shade. And I'm just using a little bit of the blush. After, I'm going to be using this shade as my highlighter. And I'll put that on my nose bridge. Using this black shade, I'm going to apply it below my waterline to give me that smoky effect. And I'm using that Toni compact powder to press everything into my skin. Using the Kiss Beauty fixing spray to set my face. And I'm using a clean wipe to clean my lips. I'm going to be using the Davis number 54 lip liner in the shade brown to outline my lips. I'm using the MBcosmetic lip gloss in the shade dark chocolate chip. After that, I'll go in with a second gloss called Mauve, still from the MBcosmetic Amsterdam. To avoid any excess gloss touching to my lips, I'm using a clean wipe to remove that. And I'm using the Lula mascara for the lower lash line and also my upper part of my lashes. And that's it for this look. Hope you love this look. Please do check out my last video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.